Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client, my lovely client Charlie, and she's come in today for a nice fresh set. So I've done all the prep work on her natural nails and I applied Glitter Planet's tapered square tips. I applied the clear layer and now we're ready for a design. So it took us a little while to decide on what we wanted to do, but we got there in the end. So here I'm using CJP Black Cherry. Haven't used this before, and what a stunner! What a stunner! Really nice to work with really nice to work with as well. So I'm just doing a full nail of that on the baby finger here, and then I'm going to do a full nail of it on the pointer too. Oh, and sorry about the camera here, like I don't know what I did. I think I had my phone slightly on the wonk, so it is quite a bad recording, so I do apologise. Really sorry. And I'm using my Glitter Planet magic stick size 12. So the middle finger is going to be a full nail of Amor. I know you're looking and you're thinking, girl, these two colours do not go, but they really did. It just looked so nice at the end. So it's a full nail of just Amor. I love Amor. It goes with absolutely everything, and it's just the perfect shade of pink. Whenever I need a light pink, I don't look for a coloured acrylic. Amor is the one. Amor is definitely the one. My little finger there, my ring finger is so sore. I don't know what I've done to it. I think I bit the side of it, and then you know when you pull it and you bite too far down, like a hangnail. Ain't it just one of the worst pains? I don't know why. Anything to do with your nail, when you get a little cut, like if you bite down too low, or if you get, oh, killer, isn't it? Absolute killer. It's causing me pure pain. I'm hoping it's gone by tomorrow morning. Ring finger. Oh my god, let's just talk about this glitter. It's been in my glitter box for so long, and I keep looking at it thinking, I'm going to try you today, and I never did. Today was the day, and boy have I missed out. Just look at it. I can't even believe it. It's from Smiley glitter store, and it's called Diamond. And oh my god, it's got all different shape cuts in it. It's just, I can't even believe it. I can't even believe it's real and it can go on people's nails. I can't praise it enough. You definitely need to go and buy it. So it's Smiley Glitter Stores, Diamond. Go and get it. What is it? What even is it? It's like a white but a silver. It's amazing. So then the farm, we couldn't decide whether to do a pink or a glitter or this colour. And yeah, we just went for this in the end. I was like, let's just keep the ring and the middle finger as the feature fingers, and the rest can be all dark. I don't think pink would have looked so nice on this one. So yeah, I'm doing that here, and then I'm going to come in with my crystal glass and cap all the nails, and I'm still using the same brush. So that's me just shaping the nails. I'm then going to come in with my Efile, and I'll just whiz over the surface of each nail and make sure that it's all nice and even, and the cuticle area is lovely and flush, and everything is all just smooth and perfect. I love it. I love filing. I tell you what I love. I love buffing, because I know it's coming to an end and you're going to top coat, because top coat is always the best part, ain't it? When the design comes through. I was so looking forward to top coating this glitter. So yeah, after this I buffed them nice and smooth, and she went and gave them a scrub with some soap and water, and now we've got a nice clean surface to apply our top coat. So I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss and just applying that to all the nails and curing in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I then apply some cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.